Hi guys, you're welcome to Halogenous Ideas. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to run your Visual Basic Code, your VB code on your Android device. So the first thing you want to do is to open your Play Store. So in your Play Store, you go and look for an app, VB.NET compiler. This is it. So this is it over here. Open it and you install it. You give it some time to install. Just in a few moments, it's going to be installed. Just give it some time to install. Now, I don't know about your own Android device, but mine, it does this security check after installing an application before it proceeds. So okay, so this is the security check it's doing now. Just a few moments and it's going to finish the security check. Okay, so it's done with the security check. Now we can move forward. So just open. So after opening the app, it will give you an interface, just basic code. So this is the sample source code. For example, you can just run this one and it will compile the code and it will show you the output over here, hello world. Okay, to show you the output, hello world. So I can go back. If I want to create a new file, for example, I can just come here, come to new, then it will open my file manager. I can just come here, then just choose any folder of your choice. Then I can say first attempt .vb, then I will save it. Make sure that the file extension is .vb. You know that when I open this particular interface, it gave me the .vb already, so I have to add the name of the file. So let me say first attempt .vb, then I'll save it. After saving it, it's giving me an empty space like this, so I can just write some basic code. Let me say console.writeLine, then it's even giving me the right line already. So this is one of the advantages. Like if I come here and I should write, I can just I don't know about your keyboard, but I have this tab functionality on my keyboard. I can just say console.writeLine. After typing console, for example, if I say dots and I continue right, you can see it gives me the suggestion that this is what I'm trying to show you, the right or the right line. So I believe you understand what right and right line does. So I can just use right line and then just put this, because it's a string I want to write. I can just say welcome to Halogenous Genius Ideas, and then I'll come to the next line, console dot, let's use right for this one, then just say put in a string, I am a boy. So run this code using this button over here. You can see it's working fine. So this green button over here is what you use to run. So if you want to, for example, if I come to the next line and I can use this tab button over here, this white bar on top of my keyboard, I can use it to control it. I can go to the end, click on the end, it goes to the end of the line. I can also use these buttons over here to go to the left, to go up, to come down. I can add a bracket using all these buttons over here. They will come in handy. So um also, if you want to open an existing file, you can just come here and you can click on open. So you can see this first VB, for example. This is not the one I created, this is the one I'm just opening for the first time now. So that is it. So other options that you have the save, you have the save as. For example, I might want to save this particular file as another thing entirely, so I will click on save as. Then I can just say maybe first save as demo, then I'll click on this and you see, so you can see the name of the file, save as demo. Then if I want to clear everything in this file, well, let me copy it out first. Select all, let me cut it. So let me paste it back. Come here, then clear. Yes, see, it clears the file. Then I can just come back to paste what I copied initially. So because I don't want to clear it. Now, one last thing I need to point out to you is that you need internet to be able to execute your code on this particular IDE. One thing you will know about Visual Basic is that the compiler is very heavy. The compiler is very heavy. So basically what this app is doing is that it will take your code, it will send the code to the online compiler, they will compile it, then they will send the results back to your device. So if I should come here, for example, and I say console dot write line, come here, and I try to add maybe 7. If I should off my internet and I try to run this code, you see I'm in trouble. Okay, you can see our servers are temporarily down. That is to tell you that the compiling of the code, it happens online, not on your device. So okay, but if I come back and I put my internet on and I run the code, you see everything is now working fine. So that is all about that. So this is how you can run Visual Basic Code on your Android device. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.